Did you know that how we extract nutrients makes all the difference? Well, you see, supercritical extraction is a cutting-edge method using carbon dioxide under specific pressure and temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. To gently extract the purest, most potent parts of a natural ingredient. Unlike traditional methods that can burn or damage nutrients, this process keeps sensitive compounds intact. The result? Well, the result is maximum purity, no chemical residues, and high bioavailability up to 99.9%. This means? This means that our body receives more of the actual nutrients it needs. Just the good stuff, nothing less. It's clean, efficient, and trusted in pharmaceutical grade supplements. That is why supercritical extraction is a gold standard in advanced health technology. Sounds good?